Welcome to AI Hustle Lab, where we decode digital money with real logic and cutting-edge AI. You're watching the first episode in our 10-part series on how to invest in cryptocurrency using artificial intelligence, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of the series, you'll understand how to use AI tools to invest smarter in crypto, not just chase the hype. Let's begin with the fundamentals. What even is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital money, but not like the money sitting in your bank account or PayPal. It's decentralized. That means no central bank, no government, no middleman. The most famous one? You already know it, Bitcoin. But that's just the beginning. There are thousands of other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano, each designed for specific purposes. Some power smart contracts, some support decentralized apps, and some aim to replace the entire banking system. Underneath all of them is blockchain, a digital ledger that records every transaction publicly and securely. Now you might be asking, why should I even care? Because crypto is creating real wealth. Bitcoin rose more than 6,000% in just a few years. Ethereum started at $1 and reached over 4,000. Even so-called meme coins have turned early buyers into millionaires. But it's not just about money. Crypto is a movement. A shift in how we store value, make payments, and build digital economies. It's like investing in the early days of the internet, risky, yes, but packed with opportunity. And now, in 2025, it's not just about holding coins. It's about investing wisely. That's where artificial intelligence comes in. Here's the truth. Most beginners lose money in crypto. Why? Because they follow social media hype, buy random coins, panic when the price drops, and sell at the worst possible time. Crypto is not a lottery. It's a strategic game of research, timing, and decision-making. And thankfully, you don't have to do it alone. In this series, we'll introduce you to AI-powered tools that help analyze coins, forecast prices, and spot potential scams before you make mistakes. In the coming episodes, you'll learn which AI tools can actually help you predict market trends. We'll show you how to build a diversified crypto portfolio using real data. We'll cover how to spot fake tokens and red flags. You'll even see examples of how machine learning evaluates tokens in real time. And the best part? You don't need any technical background. If you can watch YouTube, you can learn this. So here's what you can do right now. Subscribe to AI Hustle Lab and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next episode in this 10-part series. And leave a comment, are you totally new to crypto or have you already started investing? This isn't financial advice. It's awareness, powered by AI. The future of money is evolving fast, and you deserve to be part of it. See you in episode 2.